Amazon Christmas is running huge offers all over the world, but many of you might not know about the mega deals and big savings on items. Here, you'll find incredible discount of up 50% across all your favorite product categories. To make it even easier, we've rounded up the 7 best induction cooktop on Amazon that you can save you a huge amount on Amazon. So don't forget to watch till the end. All the mentioned product deals links are in the description below. Number 7. The Nuwave Double Cooktop Induction Countertop Burner is a versatile and powerful appliance perfect for home kitchens, small apartments, or portable cooking. Featuring dual burners with 900W and 1800W power, it allows simultaneous cooking with precise heat control. The large 8-inch heating coils provide even heat distribution, while the wide temperature range of 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit supports everything from gentle simmering to high heat searing. With 50 pre-programmed settings, cooking a variety of dishes is simple and convenient. The shatter-proof ceramic glass surface ensures durability and easy cleaning. Built-in safety features, including auto shutoff, protect against accidents. Compact, efficient, and user-friendly, this double cooktop combines power, precision, and safety, making it an ideal solution for busy kitchens and culinary enthusiasts seeking reliable performance. Number 6. The Nuwave Gold Precision Induction Cooktop is a highly versatile and efficient appliance, perfect for home cooks, small kitchens, or portable cooking needs. Its large 8-inch heating coil and 12-inch heat-resistant cooking surface accommodate various cookware sizes, providing even and precise heating. With a wide temperature range from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, it allows for accurate control whether simmering delicate sauces or searing meats. The 3 wattage settings offer additional flexibility, optimizing performance for different cooking tasks. Compact and lightweight, this cooktop is easy to transport and store, making it ideal for dorms, RVs, or countertop use. User-friendly and easy to clean, the Nuwave Gold delivers reliable, safe, and precise cooking performance, combining convenience, power, and versatility in a sleek, modern design. Number 5. The ChangBERT Induction Cooktop is a professional-grade, high-performance portable cooker ideal for home kitchens, catering, or small commercial setups. Equipped with a large 8-inch heating coil and 1,800 watts of power, it delivers fast, consistent, and even heating for a variety of dishes. Its premium stainless steel construction ensures durability, easy cleaning, and a sleek, modern appearance. The cooktop features a 10-hour timer, allowing precise control for slow-cooked meals or timed recipes. NSF certification guarantees safety and food-grade standards, making it suitable for commercial use. Compact yet robust, it fits easily on countertops while providing professional-level performance. Overall, the ChangBERT Induction Cooktop combines power, precision, and convenience, making it a reliable and versatile tool for both home chefs and culinary professionals. Number 4. The Cuisinart CB30P1 cast iron single burner is a durable and efficient cooking solution for small kitchens, dorms, or supplemental cooking needs. Its cast iron burner ensures even heat distribution, reducing hot spots and providing consistent cooking results for a variety of dishes. The stainless steel exterior adds a sleek, modern look while offering durability and easy cleaning. Simple temperature controls allow precise adjustment, making it suitable for simmering, frying, or boiling. Compact and portable, it easily fits on countertops or can be stored when not in use. The single burner design is perfect for those with limited space or for adding extra cooking capacity during busy meal prep. Overall, the Cuisinart CB30P1 delivers reliable performance, convenience, and high-quality construction in a compact package. Number 3. The Nuwave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop is a versatile and high-performance cooking appliance. Its 10.25-inch shatterproof ceramic gloss surface is durable, sleek, and easy to clean. The 6.5-inch heating coil ensures even and efficient heat distribution for consistent cooking results. With 45 temperature settings ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it provides precise control for delicate recipes, from simmering sauces to searing meats. 3 wattage levels, 600, 900, and 1300 watts, allow flexible power options to match different cooking needs. Lightweight and compact, this cooktop is ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or portable cooking setups. Easy to operate with intuitive controls, the Nuwave Flex combines safety, precision, and convenience, delivering reliable performance for both beginner cooks and experienced chefs. Number 2. The Elite Gourmet EDB302BF Countertop Double Cast Iron Burner is a practical and efficient solution for kitchens with limited space. With 1,500 watts of power per burner, it provides fast and consistent heating for cooking a variety of dishes. Each burner has adjustable temperature controls, allowing precise cooking for soups, stir-fries, or simmering sauces. Power indicator lights ensure safety by showing which burners are active. The cast iron surface distributes heat evenly, reducing hot spots and improving cooking results. Its compact black design is sleek and space-saving, perfect for apartments, dorms, or backup cooking. Easy to clean and durable, the Elite Gourmet Double Burner offers convenience, versatility, and reliable performance, making it an excellent addition to any kitchen setup. Number 1. The Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop Burner is a versatile and efficient cooking solution for small kitchens, dorms, or on-the-go meal prep. With 1,800 watts of power, it heats quickly and maintains precise temperature control, allowing for consistent cooking results. The LCD sensor touch interface makes operation intuitive and easy to adjust, offering a range of temperature and power settings to suit different cooking styles. Its compact design ensures portability and convenient storage, while the induction technology provides fast, energy-efficient heating and a safer cooking surface. Compatible with induction-ready cookware, it supports stir-frying, boiling, simmering, and more. Easy to clean and lightweight, the Duxtop burner is perfect for anyone seeking a reliable, high-performance induction cooktop that combines safety, convenience, and precision in a compact package.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.